Welcome to the Cytocentrifuge simulation. In this simulation, you'll explore the parts of a cytocentrifuge and use the device to prepare a patient's hematological blood smear. To start, move the cursor over a part to display the name and function of that part. Selecting the Cytocentrifuge button on the bottom of the screen returns you to this opening screen. Select the Laboratory button to prepare a patient's blood sample for further analysis. Follow the on-screen instructions that appear after a brief delay. After completing a given step, the next instruction will shortly appear.